Guys, how's it going and welcome back. Joined by Laugi, my cousin. We've had a pretty productive day so far. We played tennis this morning. How long did we play tennis for?
Like 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah. Quite a long time. It was pretty good fun, but now we're just spending the afternoon. We did some spring cleaning, or summer cleaning, which should we say. And we're heading to a property just to make sure it's all well and okay. We're just making sure it's still looking fine. Hopefully tenants will be moving in sometime next week. Anyway, so we're just gonna head there. Then we're heading to the river, aren't we? Yeah. We're making a pretty cool series of tech videos, which Laugi's really kindly helping me out on. You'll see more of him in the forthcoming videos. So we're heading to the river to get a nice bit of B-roll there, and then we're coming back home and doing some cooking. What are we cooking tonight, mate?
Duck.
Duck, yeah. I wouldn't mind duck, but it might take a long time, and your mum wants you to go home.
Oh wait, for today?
Yeah, today.
Oh yeah, something vegetarian. Let's try and make lasagna. You make lasagna?
What, vegetarian lasagna?
Or like vegetarian lasagna.
That could work, as in... I'm not good at making lasagna, I'll just give you...
We'll try. Like, experimenting.
Okay. You sure? We can do it. I got mushrooms, peppers, a nice sauce.
Something, cottage cheese and...
Cottage cheese and lasagna?
No. No, like, you know...
Cottage cheese and lasagna, guys. What do you think of that? Full professional cleaning job all here. Kitchen looks nice. Pretty happy with all of this. Upstairs is also looking fine, so I'm pretty happy. So we're heading to the river now. We're going to do some B-roll. I think it'll be a pretty good video, right? The iPhone 7 Plus versus the 11 Pro Max. Because, well, the iPhone 7 Plus is about 4 years old, and I recently upgraded from that. But the difference isn't that big, and so I think it's important to make the video, right? To sort of share the experience about what we thought about the two. What do you have? You got the 10s Max?
Yeah.
It's pretty good for you, right? In terms of screen size.
Upgrade, because I upgraded from the iPhone SE.
Which one? The original one?
Yeah.
The first iPhone SE. Well, that was like a tiny screen, wasn't it? That had, what, a 4.3 inch screen or something?
Yeah,
it was like the iPhones back from 2014, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was a nice phone though, as in when it worked.
But then it got a bit old, so my buttons stopped working.
The buttons stopped working?
To use like that.
Yeah, I think my iPhone wasn't as bad when I upgraded. Yeah. I think I upgraded because I just needed just a newer phone.
More storage.
Yeah, storage was quite low as well. Actually, I'm not even kidding. I downloaded a few like albums onto my phone, and then I'd say my phone storage is full and I couldn't download another app. So 32 gigabytes definitely is not enough as a minimum storage. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to the river and we'll speak later. Should we start the gimbal?
iPhone 7.
Okay, I got this quite recently. This is a DJI Ronin SC.
Yeah, it's like
pretty good. 18-105 lens on a Nex 6 body. Let's unlock all the axes. That's all good. So the gimbal is quite useful because it allows us to get a few more smoother shots. Like as you can see, this video it's quite jumpy when I walk, whereas with this thing, because it's got a 3-axis stabilizer, we get some pretty sweet shots. Anyway, we're going to switch to the gimbal now, so hopefully you can see the difference. So hopefully this is a bit smoother. Hopefully you notice the difference. If not, we've just wasted £300. I've been in your waters. So we've compared the two phones for video, and now we're going to do a few sample photographs with some flowers to if you don't get hit by bikes, to see what the differences are in the photography capabilities of these two phones.
Finished taking some photos. We're gonna head back now.
So we said we're cooking lasagna.
Yeah.
I'm not sure we're going to have enough time, and there's also too much stuff to do. We've got to boil the pasta, make the red sauce, make the white sauce, bake it in the oven afterwards. And if we're going to do it properly, might as well do it properly. What else can we make?
Touch up.
Can't you think of something?
I don't know. Like some nice noodles. You know, like these yellowy types of noodles.
Stir fry?
Yeah.
You're going to make stir fry?
Yeah.
What sort of stir fry can we make?
Vegetarian.
You want to go vegetarian? We can buy some corn chicken pieces and we can make vegetarian stir fry. How does that sound?
Yeah.
Yep. So we get some sauce. Well, for stir fry, we'll keep it quite simple. We'll get some nice chow mein noodles, but we could probably get some sort of ones in the fridge, which are pre-cooked, right? Hot pan, bit of sesame oil. Fry some onions off, a few spices. Then throw in the corn chicken pieces, bit of vegetables as well.
Yeah.
Put some soy sauce in there, some oyster sauce as well to give some flavour. I'm going to Billingsgate Market, aren't I, in the morning?
Yeah, you're gonna buy prawns.
Oh yeah, there's some really nice black Tiger King prawns at Billingsgate. If you don't know, we're from Sri Lanka, especially in the East Coast, and there you get the freshest of fish all the time. So fish is like life, practically. So yeah, Billingsgate should be good fun. I don't think they'll let you inside though, will they?
Yeah, they let me in.
They let me in last time. How old do you have to be? Well,
I was
over 12 or?
I think 12 or something.
Okay, right, so we're making vegetarian chow mein.
Chow mein, yeah.
Anything else to go with that? No, that should be.
Do you want to make chicken chow mein?
As in, we can make chicken chow mein.
Can we make chicken chow mein?
Should we do that instead?
Yeah. It's like vegetarians probably won't even taste as nice.
Okay, right, so change in plan. We're not making corn chicken chow mein, we're making proper chicken chow mein. So what, should we get chicken breasts or should we get chicken thighs, boneless?
Which one's tastier?
Chicken thighs are a bit darker in terms of the meat colour, aren't they? So they might be a bit tastier.
Okay, we'll get the chicken thighs then.
Chicken thighs?
Yeah.
Great. Actually, we had a really nice wok in our house, and I think it's a bit rusty now because we haven't used it in so many years. We purchased the wok during a time where we didn't actually make too many chow meins. So we just need pre-cooked noodles, chicken, vegetables. That's about it. 20-minute meal, do you think? 20 minutes?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, do you know to Ashwin quickly or should we say
Yeah,
no?
do you say hello?
Yeah, it's hello. We can't find any chow mein noodles. We've got some tagliatelle, which is close enough. Sauce.
Can we get one chow mein and one sweet and sour? Chow mein stir fry sauce.
Good, what else do we need? We've got the oils, we've got everything else. We need some milk at home as well, so we'll get that and then we're done. Don't drop it. Thank you. That's our effort to save the planet. Oh, don't walk into the wall, mate. Yeah, try and use less bags, right, to save the turtles. So yeah, we finished our shopping, got some chicken, so we're breaking the rules a bit by not being vegetarian, but we're going to be healthy nevertheless. Gonna head back, about 20 minutes to film some B-roll for an upcoming tech video, and then we'll make some food. Then we'll have a lovely dinner, and I need to drop you back home, don't I?
Yeah.
So we finished recording the video on phones, and we'll start cooking now quickly.
Yep.
So we need to prep the vegetables, prep the chicken, boil the noodles, and just put it all together. Then we'll do a quick review of what it tastes like as well. So we bought tagliatelle at the supermarket, but we found this rice vermicelli in our pantry instead, so we're going to use that. I think that'll be a bit more appropriate for chow mein instead of Italian pasta. And what?
You don't use vermicelli for chow mein. Chow mein is based on a thick noodle.
Really?
Well, like tagliatelle?
Yes.
Cooking's finished, let's plate it up and let's see what it tastes like. You off now? That meal was very nice, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I think my mum and my sister both rated it, what, 8 to 9s out of 10? What was the best bit?
Like, it all adds up to make a really good, like, dish.
Holistic dish, yeah.
Yeah.
As in, I think there was a nice undertone of spice,
Yeah.
which just sort of hummed in the background. The chicken was really, like, moist, not overcooked at all. The tagliatelle, although unconventional, worked really well, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think it was kind of wide and flat, so it soaked up the chow mein sauce really well. Similar to how normal chow mein noodles would work, so I was really happy about that. How were the vegetables? Were they quite good?
Yeah, they were crunchy, very nice.
Yeah.
Juicy.
As in, I'd say not too crunchy, like cooked and crunchy at the same time. Right? I think salt-wise, perfect, right? We actually didn't add any extra salt other than the soy sauce and the oyster sauce, or the fish sauce. So, salt-wise, I'd say is perfect. I've got a rather bad track record of adding too much salt to my food. Laugi, thank you so much for joining me. We're dropping you off right now. our battery's going to run out. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. Laugi, thank you so much.
Camera ran out of battery.
Oh, working again.
But it's working again because now we're charging it. So we just wanted to say
thank you for joining, guys. Laugi, say your goodbyes.
goodbye. See you on the next vlog.
See you guys soon. Bye bye.